Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making one of the food I always make on the day I don't feel like staying too long in the kitchen. I call it stress-free spaghetti. I'm just going to combine all the ingredients together, just put it in the oven and let it bake. I will sit, relax and enjoy myself, and when it's ready I bring it out. And don't forget to share, subscribe and click on the notification bell below to receive an update anytime we drop a new video. So let's get cooking. And the ingredients are 2 bell pepper, 1 red and 1 orange for color, and you can use red for the 2 tomatoes, 1 habanero and you can switch it for jalapeno, onion, green onion, sweet peas, sweet corn, oil, corned beef. Some people don't like it, so you can use your choice of protein, shrimp, salt, water, and the main ingredient, which is spaghetti, and baking dish to bake. I'll start by turning the oven to 375. I have my bell pepper, tomato, and the habanero with half-sized onion. So I'll just blend everything together. The green onion. I'm adding 1 cup of water to this. Everything together until smooth, and you can leave it at a rough consistency. It all depends on you. Pour the pepper into the bowl and set aside. I'll open the corned beef. So you can use any choice of your protein. The fork to press so as to crumble it. I need some sliced onion to add to it. So this is okay. I have 1 cup of water here. I will add to the pepper, making 2 cups of water in total. So I'm adding like half teaspoon of dry thyme. You can add any seasoning you want. Mix together. Because of the corned beef, I'm just gonna add a little salt to eat, and you can add Maggi if you want. It all depends on you. I mix together. Now I'm going to add my corned beef to it. So I'm adding the corned beef so the corned beef can be in every bite of the dish. So you can sprinkle on top instead of adding to the pepper, but I just want it to be in. Now I mix together, and then like 2 tablespoons of oil. So I mix these together, and now this is my baking dish. I will drizzle some oil inside it too. So let's see. So now the first thing I'll do, it's time for us to combine all the ingredients together, and the first thing is to add some of the pepper. It looks like the pepper is too much, but trust me, it's not. And you can also use your store-bought spaghetti sauce instead of this if you don't want to stress yourself or anything like that. So before the final, now we have the shrimp. The dish is so simple, you can make it yours. You can add anything. Fish, I don't know if you like it like that. So peas and corn. So now this is the combination of all the ingredients. The next thing, I'll use a foil to cover it up and just put it in the oven. I'll put it in the oven between 40 minutes to 1 hour and check on it for like 1 to 2 minutes and go and enjoy myself. The spaghetti is ready and there is the outcome. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.